beast? Where's the beast? Oh, there it is. Look at her, it's the gravy train.
Watch her roll in.
Look at her, it's the gravy train.
Full to the brim.
Look at her, it's the gravy train.
Far from slim.
Look at her.
I said
Look at her.
now. Have you ever seen something that's dense and hollow?
No.
Scientific subject that's hard to swallow.
That's right.
Have you ever seen a trucking dog this fat? No one I can bet on that.
Yeah.
Cause you don't live with her.
Oh.
I truck and live with her. I know what it's like to have a little fatty on the couch singing the ding dong. Have you ever seen my rump in person? Most people that do just end up cursing. Holy poop, that thing is
I
huge.
hope I don't end up in poo. But I hope that you do.
It'll look like brown splat too.
Look at her, it's the gravy train.